So what's crazy is, we go into a lot of meetings with big companies, and they've been working with paving contractors for years and years, and nobody actually breaks down and takes the total square footage of their properties and gives them all the details of all the issues that currently exist, creating an inventory, a starting point of how to approach these portfolios that these people have such a hard time managing. It's a challenging process to stay if you're a property manager that's responsible for 10, 20, hundreds of properties in some cases. You need a good partner that understands this whole process and can help you, not just the process of paving your parking lot, process of understanding the financial part of, if you've got a 400,000 or 200,000 square foot parking lot, it's a rating of a 5 out of 10. What can we do? How many dollars can we invest into it? And how do we do that to increase the lifespan of this parking lot? And if we can't increase the lifespan of this parking lot, the paving contractor should be advising you of that. There should be no money spent on that property until it's time for a complete replacement. And the problem that we see is that so many contractors just go out and do the work that's requested instead of really getting their arms around the entire scope of the whole portfolio or multiple properties to understand exactly what should be done in these situations. And so there's a lot of money in reactive maintenance that could be eliminated, could be reduced if the right pavement asset management approach is taken. And that is absolutely what we are experts at. We understand it. We can help you financially forecast. We provide you with facts and data, our ability to help not just bid your properties and win your work, looking at all of those assets, evaluating all of those assets, and helping, being a partner to that company, to that facilities or property manager, to create a strategy that actually works. The budgeted amount of money that this client has set aside is actually enough to maintain their parking lots properly. Over years of asking the right questions and finding out the right information from clients, we've created every process in our company around solving those problems. I think that's exactly what makes us different as a company, and we're extremely passionate about it.